This premium protein bar website built entirely using Gemini 3.5 Flash. The best part isn't the design, it's a scroll-driven experience that makes the website feel premium and non-generic. Today I will show you exactly how I built this from scratch. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and grab all the prompts and assets linked in the description. First, let me quickly show you the workflow. So first we're gonna find the animation idea. And second, we're gonna create the animation. And then we're gonna convert the animation to image sequence. Fourth, we're gonna build the website using Gemini 3.5 Flash. And fifth step is add the scrolling animation. And I will show you how to add the assets in the code base. And final step is improving the experience. I mean the scroll driven activities. So that's the brief steps. Now we are ready to get started. So I'm gonna show you how to create a premium e-commerce website where you can sell protein bars or anything. So here I'm gonna take this website as our reference website. Okay, it's a pretty clean website, but we're gonna add some features. I mean cool features. This is the clean website and we're gonna use this as a reference. So before building anything, I need to find an idea for animation, like the hero section animation. For that, let's find an idea. So my perfect place to find ideas is always Pinterest. Here all you need to do is search something that's related to your website and then find ideas. Simple. So here I'm gonna just search something like protein bar. I've already searched that. So just select that and then you can get millions of ideas from here, and all you need to do is just find one that really inspire you or create that spark of animation idea. Okay, let's just scroll down and find something. And I found this image. We can literally create animation from this and we can change the name and everything. Create animation. Start frame should be like this creamy image and then end frame should be like breaking that choco bar, something like that. For that I'm gonna just download this as a reference. So now let's create the frames. For that let's go to flow, and this is flow and this is where we're gonna create the animation. Start with a new project and then go to images. We need 60 and 9 ratio. First let's upload the reference. Now let's just paste the prompt. So this is the prompt and we're gonna change in the name to protein X in the cover. Add the image to prompt and then enter. So we got the two result, and here I'm gonna select this one as our start frame. Now paste the second prompt that will create the middle frame, and I also attach the result and then enter. This is our middle frames, and here I'm going to select this one. Now let's create the end frame, which is the final frame, and here enter. And we got the two results, and here I'm going to select this one as our end frame. So now let's create the animation. To create an animation, let's change this to video, not start frame to end frame. I mean not frames. Select ingredients, and yeah. Now let's add the start frame, then middle frame, and then the end frame. And here I'm gonna just paste the prompt, enter. And we got the result. Let me just play this one first. It is pretty smooth and everything, but I wanted more splash. So let's play this one. Okay, that's splash. So I'm gonna select this one. Come over here, and as always, please buy the subscription, I mean the paid subscription, so that you can download in 4K. I'm gonna download in 720p. Now let's just convert the video to image sequence. For that let's go to eScript. So this is our eScript, and here I'm gonna upload the file, I mean the downloaded file of video added, and tap on the blue button which says upload video and scroll down and increase the frame rate to 30 and then convert to JPG. So it's converting the video to image sequence, as you can see, and just scroll down and make sure everything is okay, and then download our zip file, extract that zip file, and then move to our code base. Just like that, we got all the assets we needed. Next step is building the front end. So here I have already created an implementation plan. Then I have copied everything as markdown and paste it right over in our Visual Code Studio. So as you can see, this is our implementation plan, and we're gonna use this to create the front end. I'm gonna just go to Google AI Studio, and here I'm gonna just paste the prompt, and then I'm gonna add the implementation plan here and then start building. So this is gonna create a rough copy of this website, but not the exact one. And we built the front end. I'm gonna just full screen it. This is our hero section. I'm gonna remove this running advertisement first, and yeah, let's do that. Close the full screen. Here I'm gonna add the screenshot of the issue. Okay, now enter. And we have removed that. Okay, now let's just move the assets, I mean the image sequence, to our asset folder. To move the whole image sequence, go to file and drag and drop right over the assets. Okay, so these are the frames, and then make sure you save it. Just like that, we have added about 240 JPG images. Now let's make the hero section flexible for adding that scrolling animation. For that, let's place a prompt to make it flexible. And also let's remove these text and buttons. Add a screenshot, enter. Okay, that's done. We have removed every text and buttons, and it's ready to add our hero section scrolling animation. And now we're gonna write a prompt that will make use of these images to add the scrolling animation. Here's the prompt, and you can find all the prompt I'm using in the description, totally free. And then just enter. Actually it's done, but there are some error. I mean, I want to see the whole animation, but it's only showing half of it. So let's just fix that. Press the prompt and enter. Just like that, it's done. Now let me just scroll. You can see the scrolling is really working fine, and the splash at the end. Now let's improve this bestseller section. I need to be scrollable, so let's just add that. For that, paste the prompt and then add the screenshots of this section and then just enter. Okay, it's done, guys. Let me just scroll down. So this is our hero section. So this is our horizontal scrolling in the bestseller section. We have added some cards and made it scrollable. And that's it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And I will see you with next awesome video next time. Thank you for watching.